Hi friends, this is Danisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. I know I'm not able to share videos consistently here. There have been a lot of new things happening in my life. We'll talk about all of that in some other video. This one is a special one. Recently, a meet and greet for the Chennai home bakers was arranged by Mrs. Gazina Sulu, the owner of Sweet Life from Sulu's Kitchen, in association with La Crusade along with Palladium Chennai on 12th of May. I was super excited to be a part of this event as this was an opportunity to meet our fellow bakers and to keep a personal contact with them. We were also asked to bring our best dessert to win some amazing gifts from La Crusade. Who would want to let go this opportunity? The color code for the evening was pink. I had to rush for a last minute shopping as I don't have any pink shade dress that fits me at the moment. Also, I was attending any event after a long time, so wanted to look my best. And also for the dessert, I wanted to make something that I have never tried before. So I decided to make a special chocolate cake with buttercream frosting. I started up with a chocolate sponge and soaked it with some black sweet coffee. The first layer was a dark chocolate ganache. On top of the ganache, I put some chopped roasted almonds. I wanted to put some hazelnut, but hazelnut was out of stock in the store. Then I put a layer of white chocolate mousse. I'm not sharing recipe details here in this video because the video will go really long then. If you want a detailed recipe on the same, then please comment below. I will share a detailed recipe in the upcoming days. The white chocolate mousse was extremely soft and light. To hold the second layer of the sponge, I put a very thin layer of dark chocolate ganache on it. Here goes the second layer of the sponge. Soaking the sponge with the black sweet coffee. On the second sponge, I am putting a layer of praline paste. So for that, first I created a dam with the dark chocolate ganache. This is a homemade coffee flavored almond hazelnut praline paste. For a crunch, I put some chopped hazelnut almond praline. Covering the top with dark chocolate ganache. And finally, the third layer of sponge, soaked and crumb coat the entire cake with dark chocolate ganache. For the outside, I created a carving design using buttercream. So to create this design, I had to put 4 coats of buttercream on the cake, from yellow to green to blue to white. So to create this pattern, I'm using a carving tool and randomly creating the pattern all over the cake. If you are enjoying this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, then do consider subscribing my channel for more such amazing videos. For the garnish, I prepared French macarons and chocolate squares of different sizes. I had a lot of fun in the event. It was altogether a great experience for me. I got to meet and know personally a lot of experienced bakers and also got a chance to taste their desserts. This was the tasting table with all kinds of different desserts by the bakers. Here is my cake looking all pretty with the golden spheres on it. The MC for the show was VJ anchor Paloma Rao.
And in association with Le Creuset, the international luxury brand, especially for all the culinary gods and goddesses, I think this is a very, very important part of one's kitchen.
Sulu ma'am, who organized this greet and meet, also conducted a live demo for Gompe's flowers used in cake decorations. The demo was very much helpful for us. These flowers will definitely uplift our cake presentation, especially the wedding cakes. We can see how beautifully she has done them. After that, the desserts were tasted by the judges and the winners were announced. Everyone appreciated the flavors of my cake. They all loved it. The cake was finished in no time. I got prize for the best technicality used.
Would you like to say a few words? Technicality award, the most the most of craft work that went into making the dessert, and the award for the best cake in division of technicality goes to by Mr. Arjun, AVP Marketing, Phoenix and Palladium. Round of applause for technicality buttercream. Arjun.
It's Diane's Paradise. I'm Dinisha. The technique I used is carving using Indian buttercream. So this is my first time trying this. So I hope you all like that. The inside I have given a lot of different flavors of chocolates. Base is chocolate sponge, and on top it's chocolate ganache and white chocolate mousse, and a layer of almond and hazelnut praline. As good as inside as it looked outside also. Thank you so much.
And a big congratulations to you as well.
Appreciation and awards are motivations for your work. It will help you understand that you're on the right path of your goal. Follow your passion, follow your dreams. No matter how difficult the journey would be, no matter what people say, because only you know the worth of it. You know how important this is for you. So just keep going. You will definitely be there one day. With this, I'm ending the vlog here. Hope you all liked the video. If so, then comment below and let me know. See you all soon with another exciting video. Till then, take care and bye bye.